sunbeam. We're seeing just a little bit of it. Look. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the sun. Oh my god, I wish I could show you Hannah's teeth right now. Oh. Alright, we'll show you some more when we get better, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of On the Road or Going Up to the Mountains. Okay, I'm joking. Let me get serious. Okay guys, so we are on the road today. Hannah is in a dull mood because he's been home. He's been under the clouds because it has been clouded for the past week, and so he hasn't had the chance to go anywhere or do much. So today we've decided to go up in the mountain and to try to chase the sun, and I'm taking you guys along with us. We're not gonna do a lot. We're mostly going to eat lunch, right Hannah? Mostly going to eat lunch. It's about 1 hour drive and we're taking you with us. Aren't you happy? Alright, so let's see if sun is there. Let's see if we get some sun up in the mountain to cheer up Hannah here. Alright guys, see you soon. Oh my god, this is so foggy. So yeah, today's Hannah's day. Hannah's my schedule for Hannah's day. Look how foggy this is, and I think this is not so bad. It could be worse. Breaking through. We're breaking through. We can see the, what do you call that? Sunlight. The sunlight. No, but what is it? There's a word for it. We're breaking through, guys. Can you see that? Can you see it? Look, that's the sun coming up. All right, as soon as we break through, we'll show you. Yes, I found the word. It's the beam, the sunbeam. You can see the sunbeam. Woohoo! Sun, Hannah. Look, the sunbeam. We're seeing just a little bit of it. Look. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the sun. Oh my god, I wish I could show you Hannah's teeth right now. Oh. Alright, we'll show you some more when we get better, okay? Guys, we found the sun. We're so happy. I tell you what the sun can do for your mood is, guys, trust me, it's worth it. Anyways, we're almost there. We're going to Sentis, not up to Sentis, but what's this one called again? Schwegalp. Yeah, we've been there before. We've done this video before, but not like this. We weren't chasing the sun. And it was in summertime, I think. It was in summertime, just after the lockdown. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go check that one out. And this is a different perspective. This is the winter perspective. Oh, Hannah, please don't take the corner like that. So who then catch up the house they up there? So all the house they end up there. So
it has been mine.
Going up in the mountain is like my beach when I'm in Jamaica or in the Caribbean and we're going to the beach. You know that exciting feeling, that excitement you get when you're like, we're going to the beach. For me, this is it. We're going to the mountains. This is my excitement because it's a different scenery, year one, and it's nice. It's really nice. Me happy, me glad bag boss. So guys, we've arrived and we're in the restaurant and we're just gonna fill out this form. So Switzerland and I think in Germany when you go out eating, these forms you have to fill out. At least one person at the table has to fill them out. So I'm gonna fill that out for us, and then we wait for our drink and to eat. Alright, we'll show you when we get back, okay? We got our food, guys. I'm having chicken with hummus, and Hannah is having, do you wanna say it? Roast. Looks delicious. I feel jealous.
Das da? Das sind schwarze Fladen.
Schwarze Fladen. Und mein?
Das ist Aprikosenweihe.
Aprikosenweihe. Why? And that is coffee. We finished eating and now we're going for a walk. So you wouldn't imagine there's snow all over the place and it's really so warm and nice. See how I'm glowing? Guys, it's nice. Alright, so my battery's about to die. And so my battery's about to die. So I'm going to say bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Appreciate it as always. Take care. Bye. Hannah, do you want to say bye to the people?
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye bye.